Good morning children. Welcome to our next session, EVS lesson 3, growing up. This is the part 2. Before the first, that means first part, what did you learn children? We learned the living things are growing. What are the living things? Human beings, animals, birds, insects, these are, and plants. These are the living things. They are growing. Every day they are growing one by one. They are growing and becoming the old also. The human beings become they have 5 stages. What are they? First is infant, child, then teenager, adult and old. Isn't it? Now what are the changes? How the animals and birds and plants also grow. That we will see. The next is growth in plants and animals. Growth in plants and animals. Already we understood that the growth in human beings. Now we are discussing the growth in plants and animals. Here, seeds of plants grow into saplings. Saplings means the seeds were sapling into the mud and it is growing some. Then saplings grow into plants of different sizes. For example, grass, shrubs or trees. How will we run? Shrubs, grass, shrubs or trees. See the picture children. Growth of a plant. See, first one is a seed. Then it is, first picture is a seed. Then it is saplings. It is just started the growth. It is come out from the mud. Then third one is a plant. Again it is growing to the plant. Plant became a tree. Isn't it? The circle of a growth of a plant. First is seed. Then it is a little plant. Then sapling. Then plant. Then tree. Okay. Then same as young one of animals also grow into big animals. You know that is. A kitten. Young one of a kitten. What is? The cat. Become the cat. Cat is growing and kitten is young one. Then next they are saying about the chick. Chicks are young one of hens. Hen. Chicks became hen. Then next puppy. P-U-P-P-Y. Puppy become dog. And calf. C-A-L-F. Calf become cow. Many are there. Ducklings. Then goat, kid, sheep, lamb. Such a way there. So here once again children, young one of animals also grew into big animals. See, kitten become the cat, chick become the hen, puppy become the dog and calf become the cow. Once you see the textbook children, we can understand with the picture. Its puppy's picture is there first. It is growing and grown up is a dog. Puppies become dog. Next one is kitten, a small cat, become the cat. Kitten becomes cat. Next one is chick. Chicks become hen. Chicks, hen. Next calf. Calf means young one of a cow. Is become the cow. This is the growth of animals. Now we understood the growth in plants. Plants also what we see children? Saplings. Then first seed, then sapling, then plant and tree. Isn't it? This is the growing of a plant, seed, sapling, plant and tree. Then next, kitten become cat and chick become hen, puppy become dog and calf become cow. This is the lesson, children. Now we will do the exercise. The exercise is match the young with their old ones. Match the young with their old ones. Textbook page 103. See, here you are getting the words chick, calf, saplings, sapling. Then we are getting the other side cow, tree, hen. We should match, children. Here you are getting first one is chick, C-H-I-C-K, chick. Number 2, calf, C-A-L-F, calf. Number 3, sapling, S-A-P-L-I-N-G, sapling. The next side you are getting cow, B, tree, C, hen. We should match, children. Chick, calf, sapling, cow, tree and hen. Chick is become to the old is hen, calf, old is cow, sapling, tree. Chick, hen, calf, cow, sapling, tree. Okay, children. Now we'll do the next exercise. Your next exercise is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the given words. With the given words. Textbook page 104. Okay. You are getting the some words in the bracket. Infant. In the bracket, infant. Wrinkled, W-R-I-N-K-L-E-D, wrinkled. Slow, S-L-O-W, slow. And sapling, S-A-P-L-I-N-G, sapling. These are the words you are getting. What are they? Infant, wrinkled, slow, sapling. The first question is the process, T-H-E, the process, P-R-O-C-E-S-S, process of growth, G-R-O-W-T-H, growth is dash. The process of growth is how, children? Infant, wrinkled, slow, sapling, which is slow. You are growing very slowly, not fast, slow. Isn't it? The process of growth is slow. Then second one, a or an dash cannot talk. Which is the correct answer? A or an and dash cannot talk. What is, children? Infant. An infant cannot talk. Okay. Then number 3. A dash grows into a big tree. Into a big tree. Which is growing a big tree? Sapling. A sapling grows into a big tree. Then next, number 4. The skin of an old person gets dash. What will be? Wrinkled. 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 Old person's skin will be wrinkled. So once again children, fill in the blanks with the given words. Words are infant, wrinkled, slow and sapling. Here first is the process of growth is dash, slow. The process of growth is slow. And dash cannot talk, and infant cannot talk. A dash grows into a big tree. A sapling grows into a big tree. Last one. The skin of an old person gets dash, wrinkled. The skin of an old person gets wrinkled. Okay children. Next exercise. Tick the correct statement and put a cross next to the wrong statement. Textbook page 105. The first sentence is animals do not grow. Do not grow. The statement is animals do not grow. Which is correct or wrong children? Animals are growing, no? So the statement is wrong. Put the wrong cross mark. Then second one is a newborn child is called a youth. See the statement children. A newborn child is called a youth. What is the statement? Is it correct or wrong? Wrong, no. A newborn child is called an infant. Okay. So the statement is wrong. Put the cross. Then number 3. The skin of a very old person gets wrinkled. 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 See the statement. The skin of a very old person gets wrinkled. They are getting, their skin is wrinkling. So wrinkled. The statement is correct. Put the tick mark. Number 4. Seeds grow, GROW, grow into sapling. Saplings. The statement is seeds grow into saplings. The statement is correct. Seeds are growing into saplings. Put the tick mark. Then number 5. A child grows into an infant. See the statement children. A child grows into an infant. An infant is grows into child. So the statement is wrong. A child is grows into teenager. No. So this is the wrong one. So once again children, animals do not grow. That is the wrong statement. Then a newborn child is called a youth. That also wrong. Then the skin of a very old person gets wrinkled. The statement is correct. Seeds grow into saplings. Statement is correct. A child grows into an infant. Statement is wrong. Okay children. Then the next exercise is see that circle, 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 that is circle the correct answer. The correct answer. Circle the correct answer. First one is all living slash non-living, non, non-living things grow. Here all living or non-living things grow. Which is growing, children? Living things or non-living things? So living things or living things grow. The next, cut here, children, you may confuse. The next, second one, young, Y-O-U-N-G, young of animals, young of animals become big or small animals. Here, young one of animals become big animals or small animals? Small animals is going to big, no? So, young of animals become big. They are coming big. Small is the arrow. Then number 3. A young person, Y-O-U-N-G, young person becomes old or infant. See the question, children. A young person becomes old or infant. Young people is going to become old. So, old is the correct answer. Infant is the wrong answer. Then number 4. Number 4. A child can or cannot walk. See, children. A child can or cannot walk. A child can walk. Can. Child can. Circle the can. And cut the row. Child can walk. Infant cannot walk. Okay. Then 5th one. A or an young or old has person has has gray hair. Children, a or an young or old person has gray hair. Who has the gray hair? Young person or old person? Old persons. They are getting gray. Then young is cut. Here O came. So what will be this? Here A also cut. And old person has gray hair. Okay, these are the circle the correct answer. Once again, children. Okay. Circle the correct answer. All living or non-living things grow. Answer is all living things grow. Next, young of animals become big or small animals. Young of animals become big animals. Then, a young person becomes old or infant. A young person becomes old. Then fourth one, a child can or cannot walk. A child can walk. A or an young or old person has grey hair. Here the answer is an old person has grey hair. These are the exercises in the page number 104 and 105. Write these in the textbook, classwork and homework book also. Thank you children. Read well.